A Chinese envoy on Tuesday regretted the push by the United States for human rights-related texts in a draft Security Council resolution on the mandate renewal for the UN mission in South Sudan. Dai Bing, China's deputy permanent representative to the United Nations, said China had to abstain in Tuesday's voting after the United States, the penholder on South Sudan, refused to make revisions.
Throughout the consultation process, the U.S. has pushed for the inclusion of many human rights-related texts, resulting in a very unbalanced draft resolution. South Sudan is the youngest member of the UN. The international community should support the country in gradually exploring a path of human rights development that is suitable for its national conditions, instead of only resorting to criticism or pressurization, not to mention interference in internal affairs. The Security Council is not the right forum for human rights discussions. The text makes reference to human rights defenders. Internationally, there is no clear definition or clear, unified definition for this term, which is agreed through intergovernmental negotiations. China opposes this reference. The draft resolution also asks mission to assess the effects of the climate change on humanitarian situations, a job that should rightly fall on OCHA or the country team, and should not be tasked with the UNMISS. China doesn't appreciate assigning climate change-related mandates to peacekeeping missions without an in-depth analysis of climate change impacts and a clear understanding of climate change as a driver of security risks. We requested that there should be no human resource or budget increase due to this inappropriate mandate. In fact, on these aforementioned issues, several members repeatedly requested proposed revisions, but the penholder failed to heed and take on board their reasonable suggestions and didn't demonstrate a penholder's inclusiveness. In view of this, China had to abstain in the voting.